looking at the photograph, it does not look like a decomposition fluid stain that I have seen.
Is this photo a good example of what decompositional fluid would look like on a piece of carpet?
Yes, that's why I included it.
Alternate light sources is tools that we have in order to detect any kind of reaction for body fluids.
Okay. And then your next step would be to do what?
Next step, if I observe any suspected stain, I proceed to do a presumptive blood test.
Okay. And you did that, and what were the results?
Negative.
My name is Heather Subert. Spelling of my last name is Seubert.
Good morning, Ms. Subert.
Good morning, sir.
Can you tell us what is your occupation?
I am currently the unit chief of the Firearms Tool Marks Unit at the FBI laboratory located in Quantico, Virginia.
Okay. And in 2008, what position did you hold with the FBI?
In 2008, I was one of the supervisory forensic DNA examiners in the DNA analysis unit, also at the FBI laboratory. Q44 was a piece of the spare tire covered, and it was a gray carpet cutting. And Q45 was a piece of spare tire cover as well, and it was also a gray carpet cutting.
Okay. And Q44, what did you do with that item?
That item had some extremely faint brown dingy areas on it that were spot tested for the presence of blood, and they were negative for the presence of blood.
Did you do anything beyond that?
On that particular item, it was actually combined with the next item for DNA testing.
Okay. Let's go to Q45, which is State's Evidence 142.
On Q45, there were extremely faint brown dingy areas on that item that were spot tested, or were tested for the presence of blood, and they tested negative as well.
Now, tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what you did with both of these items together after you tested them for blood.
On those two items, a swabbing was taken, just a regular cotton tip swab with water applied to it, and a swabbing was taken of the entire item, as well as the Q45 item, and those two swabs were combined and processed for DNA.
Okay. And can you tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what the results were?
There were no DNA typing results obtained from either of those items, and they were combined, so there was essentially no DNA as a result.
What you can say is that you did not get DNA or blood from the trunk of that car, correct?
That's correct.